Hello there, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I am doing an update to my whole collection project pan, and I am so excited because I have 3 items that are rolling out this month. So if you're interested in seeing my progress and what products I'll be rolling out and what products I'll be rolling in, then just keep on watching. I am in the middle of filming a foundation wear test and a review, so if my skin doesn't look the best, please forgive me, because this foundation is absolute shite. I don't like it and it just doesn't look good. I know it. I won't be wearing it on its own anymore because of how bad it looks. So, you know, if I'm looking a little bit off, it's because of the foundation, not anything else. So, okay. Whole collection project pan. So let's start off with the update. I'm gonna go in the order of how I rolled these products in, so it'll be a mix of things that, you know, are staying in and things that are rolling out. Okay, so the first product that I rolled in was my Colourpop Lunar Has It a blush, and as you can see, unfortunately there's still no pan. There is a little bit of a dip going. I hope you'll be able to see that. You probably see it a little bit better in the pictures. No pan yet, but you know, it's steady going. So I forgot to mark today's use. So I had used this blush 15 times over the past month, and overall I had used this blush 26 times since introducing it into this project. So I know blushes take a lot more to hit pan on, so I'm pretty sure it's going to take me like probably 50, 60 or 70 uses to hit pan. I'm okay with that. I use it interchangeably with other blushes that I have, so you know, I'm not in a rush to hit pan straight away. This is a nice soft terracotta kind of blush. It just works well with anything that I wear on my face, really. It's okay. I'm not mad that you know, I would be happy if I rolled it out, but I'm not mad that it's still staying in. The next product that I had in my project is my Luxe translucent powder, and this is all finished. So my goal was to use it up. It took me, well, this month I had used it 11 times, and the previous month it took me 20, you know, I used it 21 times. So overall it took me 32 uses to finish this guy up. I actually used up another loose powder that I had in my collection, so I'm actually all out of loose powders. I'll definitely be purchasing one. I think I want to purchase the Huda Beauty Easy Bake. Is that what it's called? Easy Bake loose powders. But yeah, definitely if this Luxe powder comes back into Aldi, I'll be buying backups, because I love how this looks on my face. It mattifies my face, but it doesn't over dry my face. It makes it look smooth, and it just is a good powder overall. So yeah, this is rolling out, and will be rolling something else in its place. The next product that I had is my Saint Luxe Cupid lip liner. Now I have a specific goal to hit on it. This is how much I have of the lip liner left. So the goal is basically to hit this writing here. So I have very, very little left, you guys. Next month this definitely is going to be rolled out. As you will see in the pictures, I did make sort of steady, let me just take a look at this, at the progress myself. I did make steady progress somewhat. I did use a little bit less over the last month. However, it is more or less the same distance to hit the goal as I used up, you know, as I used this product up throughout the last month, if you know what I mean. So I have a feeling this will be rolling out next month, which is super exciting. I don't mind this lip liner. It looks nice with lipsticks. It looks nice with lip glosses. It is just a, I'm gonna give you a swatch. It is just a kind of rosy sort of shade that just enhances my own lip color. I don't mind it. It's really, really nice. I'm actually going to give you a little swatch of the Lunar Has It blush as well. So this is the Lunar Has It blush. As you can see, just a nice neutral terracotta sort of blush. But yeah, oh, I didn't tell you how much I used it. Okay, so over the past month I used this guy 12 times. The previous months I used it 10 times, so overall I used it 22 times. And yeah, no goal yet, but I think if I use it 10 to 12 more times this month coming, I think I will be able to hit my goal and just roll it out. The next product is my Huda Beauty liquid liner. So my goal was to use this 25 times. This month I had used it 15 times. The previous month I had used it 10 times. So I hit my goal, and I used this 25 times in this project, and this is a product that I will be rolling out. I actually had to revive it because it started to get really thick and goopy. So I put some Duraline in, and you know, it actually worked fine. It's starting to get thick again, so I think if I ever use it, well, I will use it again, but whenever I use it again, I'm going to have to put Duraline in it to kind of revive it, because it just tends to get fairly thick. It works well, but you know, I prefer my liquid liners to be a little bit more liquidy rather than, you know, jelly. So this is rolling out. So far we have 2 products to roll out, and the third product that I rolled in last month was my Glossy Box Glossy Mauve eyeshadow, and my goal was to hit pan on this product, and as you can see, I have hit pan. I had a fair bit of use on this already, so it wasn't hard, to be honest, because it only took me 8 uses to hit pan on this, which I'm super excited about. What I did is I used a fluffy brush and fluffed this shadow in my crease, and you know, that worked wonders. So this is also rolling out. Okay guys, so that means we are rolling in 3 new product. Guys, I actually didn't have the Pretty Random app installed on my phone for some reason. I think it was funny because when I used it the last time for my Pandas eyeshadows, what it did is it kind of duplicated on my phone, so I had uninstalled it and I forgot to reinstall it. So what I'm actually going to do is I'm going to start screen recording. If I can find, here we go. Now I've started screen recording. So what I'm going to do is I have my see, that's what I'm talking about. It has 2 freaking it has 2 thingies. I don't know what's going on, so I'm just gonna move this to, because if I, yeah, I don't know, it's very strange. Maybe I have to find a different app to use for this. So anyway, my spreadsheet. So I have tried to keep this spreadsheet as updated as I can. So let's take a look. The Glossy Box Glossy Mauve is getting, oh no, you know what, let me just clean up my spreadsheet and then we're gonna go back to the screen recording. Okay, I fixed up my spreadsheet, moved the products that I used up down to the bottom. So I think I'm ready to start recording again. So 3, 2, 1, it's recording. So let me go to my spreadsheet. So I have 192 eligible products to be rolled into this project. So if I go back to my Pretty Random app, 192, and I'm going to prevent re-rolls, and I guess we are just going to start rolling in, and I'm going to have my pen ready so that I can write down. Okie dokie, so the first number is 116, the second number is 186, okay, and the third number is 136. That's very interesting. Okay, so first number we rolled in is 116. 16, and number 116 is a lipstick. So this is the Wet n Wild Bare It All lipstick. Interesting, I don't have a lipstick in this project, so that's okay, I can roll it in. I have some rules that I've mentioned in previous videos, so if you want to check it out, please check out my previous videos. So I can only have one product from each category, and I only pan 5 items at a time. So that's okay, that's a lipstick. I guess we will figure out the goal once we actually see what the lipstick looks like. The next product is 186. And 186, oh my god, it's a foundation, and it's a new foundation that I haven't even tried before. Fair enough. Okay, we're gonna do that. Okay, and then 136 is the Laritzi Plum Stix. Now this is a lipstick, so actually what we're going to do is we are going to re-roll for that. So 136, we're going to re-roll again, and we get 165, and 165 is a lip liner. Unfortunately, I am already panning a lip liner, so this has to be re-rolled again. So let's do that. 89. Okay, that seems like a low number, so maybe it is something different. 89 is my Catrice Stix in Freeking GREENius. Okay, so this is an eyeshadow stick. Yeah, we can, oh, not green. We can work with that. So let me get those products, and then we can figure out our goals when I have those products here with me. So yeah. Okay, you guys, so I have my products, and the first thing that we rolled in is my Wet n Wild Bare It All lipstick. So basically this, I think, is a dupe for the Max Velvet Teddy. This is what it looks like. It is a beautiful matte bullet lipstick. I absolutely love it because it stays on the lips, but it's not too drying. It's just really, really good. Okay, so I'm going to show you how much I have. So this is how much I have, and I actually have decided that I want to use up this lipstick. I know this is going to take ages. This is probably going to take me a year to finish. However, this is so old. I think I bought it in college, and I finished college in 2017, and I must have bought it at the beginning of college, and I started college in 2013. So this is probably in or around 8 years old, maybe a little less than that. I mean, it still smells good, don't get me wrong. It still has that kind of cookie scent that it had. I think it had a cookie, did it? I'm not quite sure, but it doesn't smell bad anyway. So because it has been in my collection for so long, I want to finish this up. So I know it is a very hefty goal, but I think eventually I'll be able to do it. So yeah, the next product that I rolled in is my Maybelline Dream Urban Cover foundation. I literally just bought it last month, and I was either going to have the e.l.f. CC cream in my Shop My Stash or this. I decided to go with this because this is more hyped up, and you know, it turns out I don't like it. So I'm wondering what my opinion on this would be. Now, because it is literally brand new, I don't want to use it up right away, so I gave myself a goal of using this 30 times before I can roll this out of the project. I think that's fairly reasonable. You know, it's probably not gonna, I probably won't be able to roll it out next month, but you know, 2 months of use with this guy, I think that would be fine. So 30 uses before I can roll this out. And then I rolled in the Catrice Freeking GREENius sticks. So basically this is a shadow stick, and it is a green shadow stick. So this is what it looks like. It is a really nice, oh, can you even see? Here we go. It is a metallic green shadow stick. So if I roll this up fully. Here we go, here we go, here we go. This is how much I have. So I have decided that I want to use more or less half of it before I can roll it out of the project. So if I show you my little notebook, okay, so this is the top, this is the bottom, and I want to be around here when I can roll this guy out. I think that's fairly reasonable also, because definitely won't be able to finish that up. So using half of it within this project is good enough for me. But yeah, that completes today's video. It was a little bit of a messy video because we had to re-roll for a couple of products because they were kind of repeats of the same category. But yeah, I am super happy that I was able to roll out 3 products and roll 3 new ones in, and you know, kind of get a little bit of a refresh in the project. But yeah, that is it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to give this video a like, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. But yeah, thank you very much, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.